The question asking time is going to be stopped. And now it's my turn to ask you a question. This question is basically very important and informative. And after hearing this question, you will think that wow, this question will promote you to imagine anything, and this question will stop you to imagine anything. Right? So myself Ans, and I'm going to ask you a very important and difficult question. I think it is difficult for me, maybe for you or not. So let's start the video. Let's imagine first. Let's imagine you or I. Let's imagine I am standing in a station and a train is going front to me. The train is running, or I can say that the train is moving with the speed of 100 km per second. In the train there is a one person who is sitting under the train, in the train. So in this way I can say that the man also moving with the speed of 100 km per second, right? Okay. And what if the person is going to move with the speed of 5 km per second, because the back side of the train is going to be burned and flow of the hot fire is coming toward the direction of the train. So that is why this man will have to run a forward direction, in the direction which direction the train is moving actually. So when I see this situation, so in the scenario that there is the person who is running with the 5 km per second and the train is running with the 100 km per second, so I can say that the man is moving with the speed of 105 km per second. Simple addition is going to be done here, right? So sir, my question to you, that Maxwell, you know who is Maxwell? Maxwell, who said that the light is a particle as well as wave, means the light run in the wave and he is a particle, teeny particle. Okay. And Maxwell has also said us that the speed of light is 300 kilometer per second. 300 kilometer per second. And Maxwell told us that no any object can run faster than light. Einstein had also said his mass energy formula is equal to mc square, that no anything can be move greater than the speed of light or even equal the speed of light, because if a object try to move with the speed of light, then it will automatically convert into the light, because his formula, and it is also true. Okay. So what if let's imagine our scenario that a train is moving with the speed of 100 km per second, and imagine again if the head of the train, there is a big torch. There is a big torch in the head of the train, and the torch the speed of the light of the torch is also equal to the light of the coming from the sun. It means that 300 km per second, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, right? Approx 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So if the light is running with the speed of this, so if I had told you that a person who is sitting in the train also moving with the speed of 105 km per second, so what about if light is also running with the speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and train is also moving with the speed of 100 km per second. So I can say that the addition should be also done here. Yes, this is true, and it will be so. I will see, in my point of view, in my frame of reference, that light is moving with the speed of 300 km per second plus 100 km per second. But here the Maxwell failed. Maxwell has told us that no any object, and also Einstein tells that no any object can move even equal to the light of speed of light. So how is this possible? And we cannot say that it is untrue, means it is a fall, because the train is moving with the speed of 100 kilometer per second, and light is connected with the train, so that light is moving 300 kilometer per second plus 100 kilometer per second, it means 400 kilometer per second. So I think the question is very informative to you, and you are easily able to understand what am I actually want to tell you. If you also here if you also able to give the answer of this questions, and please give in the comment section. Like the video. Thank you.